Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage number 11-096. This is a latch bolt, and it's very likely the most common latch bolt that Schlage makes, or at least most among the most likely common. The 11-096, the 11096, that is a latch bolt that's used on their A series locks and their AL series locks. A grade 2 cylindrical lock in either a knob, which is the A series, or the AL, which is the lever line from Schlage. The industry standard. If you have a keyed AL53 or an AL80 or an A50 on a hollow metal door and frame, this is going to be your latch bolt. Wood door, steel frame, this will be your latch bolt. The 11096 specifically means all of the dimensional characteristics of the unit, and that means specifically that it's 1.125 wide, that it's 2 1/4 tall, that the latch bolt is for 2 3/4 back set, and there's nowhere on the latch that you'll measure 2 3/4 because a cylindrical lock is constructed in such a way where the latch bolt engages the outer retracting hub, which is placed towards the interior portion of the hole, towards the lock set. So, but if you were to actually measure that, you'd be about 2 inch overall, and a 2 3/8 of course would be shorter. It also means that it's a deadlocking latch bolt that you would use on a keyed function. When this is properly installed and that deadlocking tab is held back by the strike, you can't depress that. It becomes jimmy proof. When it's not properly installed, you can depress the entire item. Again, this is the 626 finish, and of course it'll be available in finishes to equal or be complementary to all the finishes that the locks are available in. The other common latch bolts that you would bump into is if you needed a 2 3/4 but you had a wood door, the 1 inch wide prep, that would be an 11-091. Schlage can also do a 3 3/4 latch bolt, which is pretty uncommon. I may sell one of those at every decade. And then, of course, 2 3/8, same sort of version, would be an 11-088. You can also do radiused corner on the 2 3/8, etc. If you're doing a 5 inch back set, you could use a 2 3/8 latch bolt and then the link. And then, of course, you can do these all in spring latches as well. If you're doing a passage set, it would not feature that deadlocking tab. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Schlage 11-096 latch bolt or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.